What's up, YouTube? What's up? Hey, you guys. So it's your girl April, and what's up? No, like that. What's up, YouTube? So it's your girl, and no, don't really like that either. So we'll just stick with the. This is by Persephone. This is how you spell the name. This is the box, the packaging. It did come with an elastic band, which I already sewed in. It does come with a wig cap. This is a really, really light one. It comes from Amazon Prime. You can get it from there. If you have Prime or whatever, you can definitely get quick, fast shipping, 180% density. So what's so cool about this one? Also, the nape area is kind of like thinned out for you too, so it's not too bulky. And let's do this. All right, guys, let's jump into this real quick. So I already went ahead and cut the lace off. So this portion of the video is me. I'm going to go ahead and customize this unit. So I am taking my rat tail comb and I'm just cutting off the excess lace. So what I first did was I parted the unit right above my ear, only because a lot of times when they do come, they are standard, so they basically will be a little bit too roomy and the wig will basically be on your earlobe, so you want to make sure that it lays above your ear. So I just went ahead and parted some of that excess lace and cut it off, and I also just cut off some of the wispy hairs that I do like in my unit. Along with that, I'm doing my sideburn hairs now. I just feel a lot more comfortable with the sideburn hairs. So, you know, if this is optional, you don't have to do it if you don't want to. You can do baby hairs. So I'm going to be using my Got To Be Fantastic styling mousse just to style or sculpt my sideburn hairs on the side. Yes, hunties, from the Dollar Tree. And this is the Glam Force by Got To Be, which is a 48-hour hold. And I'm just going to be spritzing some of that behind the wispy hairs, so that way my wig will stay down. It'll allow my wig to adhere for at least 2 to 3 days. And I also am going to be using the Glam Force 24-hour hold styling gel, which I will use for my sideburn hairs. Now let me tell y'all, I got all of these Got To Be products from the Dollar Tree. Yes, you guys, make sure to check out your local Dollar Tree. I did show you in a video recently. Now, just to lay down those wispy hairs, I'm going to be using the Got To Be Mesmerizing Putty. This was also a purchase at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to take the root of the hair. So just take the root of the hair and just take a little tiny bit of the putty and place it only on the root, so that way the hair will fall into place. It'll basically go in the direction that you want it to go. And I just tried this out because I wanted to see how this product works. For one, it does dry really, really fast, and it does dry clear. So in case you're worried about the color, it does dry fast and it does dry really clear. But it's for mostly holds with scrunchy styles or tapered or layered styles. So I did like it for the root of this. So I'm just going to spritz a little bit more of the hairspray, and I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm going to blow dry it on cool to medium heat. This will allow the products to dry in a more timely manner. You can put on a scarf if you want to, but if you don't have a blow dryer, because that will also help. Now, girl, that hairspray is bomb as hell. Okay, let me tell y'all, it's tight. Like, it's really tight. Okay, I only bought 6 cans. I'm saying maybe I should go back to the Dollar Tree, but this stuff is like for real. I ain't never found this stuff in a store, but girl, let me tell y'all, when I seen this at the Dollar Tree, I was so happy. You know, any Got To Be product is bomb. So you just want to repeat those prior steps on the opposite side of your head as you see me doing here. And then, you know, just style and profile, ladies. But the wig is like, listen, hunties, this wig is not going nowhere. Yes, yes. So this portion, I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of like style my wispy hairs, you know. I don't want them stuck to my head, so I'm just going to make sure to brush them back. You know, however you want to style them is up to you. You know, you can style them, you cannot style them. It is your preference. Do what you got to do, girl. But you guys, I hope you enjoyed this portion of my voiceover. I am going to leave you with some music, and I hope you enjoyed the video and your weekend. And I'm also going to just, you know, come back and just, you know, get the rest of my review.
right off my lips. I crave the taste of your tattoos. It's how you want it, so psychotic, boy, you know what you have to. Draw a vision, my intentions, I can make you feel alive every night. My heart's so right, my head's so wrong, fight inside of me. When nothing works except the hurt, you feel so good to me. It's not enough, come give me love and leave me destiny. I know you just like me, and I'll be the one to touch you in your dreams, and I'll be the one to haunt you when you speak. I'm down to be the kind of secret you can keep. I'ma make you feel, I'ma make you feel. For me, I'll make you say, never leave my body alone. So go, go, go and do whatever you want. Never leave my body alone. Let me do whatever you want. Stay with me when you're with me, 'cause we got no we can do. Switch me on.
I had to fight with this ponytail because, first of all, if I showed you guys in like my recent video of how to sleek down your kinky straight hair to get in a high bun or ponytail, you do really need to actually put the wig upside down and hot comb it, so that way the tracks just kind of can flow upwards too. So I don't really like to wear my hair half up, half down. You know what I'm saying? I just rather wear it all the way up or all the way down, especially because my head is so long. This hair though is bomb as hell, like bomb ass hair from Amazon. Like seriously, like nice and silky straight. It did shed a little bit, but nothing major. You know what I mean? You do need to re-wet it because, as you guys see, the waves are not really deep. They're kind of like loose waves, so it's okay with me. Like I like it because it's 22 inches. It's nice and full, so that's what I do like about it. That it's nice and full, and once you wash it, it will definitely look wave back up. So all you gotta do is wash it and it will definitely wave back up. But the hairline is bomb on this wig, okay? Actually, this is like the easiest hairline that I've ever had to do from a wig from Amazon. I'm not gonna say altogether, but from a wig from Amazon, this hair was like superb, like creme de la creme, hunties. Persephone, I hope I'm saying your name properly. This wig is cute. Like seriously, like that is it for this video. You can check the description box below for Persephone. If you don't have Amazon Prime, you best to get it. Oh, but first of all, before I go, this hairspray actually holds. Like you see me all excited and stuff. This stuff works. I got 6 cans of this. Girl, let me go to the Dollar Tree again right now because I'm about to go get like whatever they got left because this stuff is like, look. My wig is not going anywhere. And you guys know how much I love this stuff right here. Because this is my go-to. But this has a 48-hour hold, non-sticky, anti-frizz. So I don't really know where you can get it from at stores because I have never seen it in stores. This is something new that launched like a year and a half ago, and I've never got the chance to see it in the stores. But when I seen it at the Dollar Tree, a girl was all in for it. Now I'm gonna be honest and tell you, I don't really like the smell too much, but you know, it kind of vanishes after a couple of seconds, a minute or so. But the hold on this is amazing. The gel has a really good hold, which is 24 hours. So you guys, make sure you check your local Dollar Tree out, because that's where I got that stuff from. Hello. So I love you. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs this video up, and I will see you guys in a soon to come video. All the info will be down below. Peace. Why do I feel like my shirt is so damn small? Like, come on, girl. I know, I mean, I gained a couple of pounds, but dang.